Hey guys, welcome back. This is Shirley with Unboxing a Brand. This is actually a follow-up video to my Glossier unboxing and try-on video. If you haven't seen it, I'll make sure to leave a card below so you can take a look. With my initial order from Glossier, I ordered the Perfecting Skin Tint and Stretch Concealer Duo, which came in a set. When you buy things as a set on Glossier, they give you a little bit of a price discount, so I went ahead and did that. When I tried this on, this color was a little bit too light on me. On their website, when you're purchasing these concealers and skin tints and whatnot, they have pictures of models on there, so you can kind of compare yourself with the pictures of the models. So these shades come between G1 and G12, and anything above G6, they only had one image, and the girl that was in the image didn't really look like me. And so I went ahead and I wrote an email to Glossier explaining my concerns and how I was a little bit frustrated that I couldn't find the right color. And then they replied to me right away. They replied to me the next day, and they said that thank you so much for your feedback. I'll pass it on to the team. We'll try to have more pictures of different types of skin tones on there. When I wrote the email, I wanted to see if I can exchange the color to a darker tint. But when the rep replied to my email, she says, you know what, don't worry about it. We're sending out a new set to you right away. I was like, oh, okay, thank you. That's really kind of you. So I think I wrote them the email on a Tuesday. They replied right away on Wednesday morning. The shipment went out on Wednesday, and now it's Saturday, and I just received the box in the mail today. So we're going to do another unboxing. I'm going to be trying the Perfecting Skin Tint and Stretch Concealer Duo once more with hopefully the right color. But yeah, so let's get started. I'm really excited, and I'm really grateful for Glossier for sending this to me for free. This set cost about $36, and I didn't have to pay for shipping. They didn't ask me to send the old products back. They just said that maybe if I have a friend that might be interested in them, I can just go ahead and give it to them. And so this is a box that I just got. I'm a little surprised because this is a replacement shipment, right? And then this is the old box from my other unboxing video, and it's like a lot larger. And I wonder why they did that. It makes it look like they've sent me some extra things. I highly doubt that, but just wanted to point it out. So let's have a look and let's see if this color fits me better. I originally ordered the color G11, and because it was too light, I asked for, I think it was G10. All right, so I'm assuming this box will look the same. Yep, so, ooh. All right, so again, it's a white box with Glossier logo on here. And I got some different swag this time. These are fruit stickers. These are really cute. I actually got a Glossier Play sticker with my other order, and if you see my other unboxing videos, I tend to save these stickers and I collect them, so I put it on my notebook here. This is my Unboxing a Brand notebook, and this sticker is from the COSBOX Spring 19. If you wanted to watch the unboxing video for COSBOX, I'll make sure to link it here as well. All right, so cool, stickers. Okay, so yeah, I don't know why they sent me this huge box. I'm definitely going to be reusing this box. If I have something I need to ship out that fits this box, I'll make sure to use it instead of just throwing it out. All right, again, it came in this plastic pouch. Oh, I think this pouch is a little bit smaller than the original one that I got. This one might be better for makeup. That's interesting. All right, so let's see. This is the G10 Stretch Concealer and G10 Perfecting Skin Tint. It's so nice of them to send this again. Like, I was just so surprised that they went ahead and did that. Not a lot of companies do that, so that's cool. So let's see if this fits my skin tone a little bit better. Apparently, you can just go ahead and squeeze it directly onto your face. I guess that's why they made the bottle look like this. This is something I've learned since my last Glossier unboxing video. All right, let's see. Yeah, this color is a lot better. So Glossier is known for their no makeup look, and this Perfecting Skin Tint is it's a very light coverage. I don't find it being too light because I personally don't like to wear cakey makeup and foundation, and I think that this would work really well during the summer. So next we'll try the G10 Stretch Concealer. Yeah, off the bat, it's already looking more like my skin tone. And so I like to use a blending sponge when I put on concealer. Oh yeah, this is a lot better. If I ever got a tan during the summer, I think I will actually maybe go a shade darker for my concealer. But right now, at this point, this is definitely a better color than what I had before. I'm going to continue the rest of my makeup in my next video. I just received my first Birchbox and I wanted to see what kind of samples I got. Maybe I can demonstrate some on camera. So this is Glossier unboxing and demo part 2. And if there's anyone from Glossier watching this video, I just wanted to thank you so much for sending me this replacement set. I'm extremely happy with the level of customer service that you guys provide, and I'll definitely be back to get more products from you guys. And if you've never heard of Glossier before and would like to give them a try, I'll leave a 10% off coupon code down below so you can use my link and get 10% off of your order. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have a ton of unboxings coming up. That's really, really exciting, and I can't wait to show you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!